Verifying your Klarna account is essential to access its Buy Now, Pay Later services, including Pay in 4, financing, or the one-time card. Download the app. Install Klarna from the App Store or Google Play. Alternatively, visit Klarna.com. Sign up with your email and phone number. Create a password. Start verification. Log in and navigate to Profile or Settings, Personal Information. Tap Verify Identity or follow prompts during your first purchase attempt. Provide personal details. Enter your full name, date of birth, and billing address. For U.S. users, provide your Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, for financing or higher limits. Some regions may skip SSN. Submit ID. Upload a government-issued ID, for example, driver's license, passport, if prompted. Take a clear photo via the app or upload a file. A selfie may be required for facial verification. Link payment method. Add a debit or credit card or bank account for repayments. Verify via a small test transaction or bank login. Plaid. Confirm verification. Klarna reviews details, instant or 1 to 2 days. You'll get a push notification or email confirming approval. Tips. Ensure details match your ID to avoid delays. Check limits in the app post-verification. For issues, contact Klarna's 24/7 chat support via the app.